Akshay from STEM Fusion. Today we are learning about force and types of force. With the help of force, we can change the shape of object and give motion to the object. Let's learn about types of force. First, magnetic force. In this picture, you can see that this ions are get attracted towards this magnet. Some metal also get attracted towards the magnet. Second, muscle force. Lifting, pushing, pulling are the examples of muscle force. Note that which activities we are doing in our day-to-day life are because of muscle force. Without muscle force, human being cannot do anything. Third, gravitational force. In this picture, you can see that this fruit is falling from the tree towards the ground. That because of gravitational force. We are standing on earth because of gravitational force. Fourth, frictional force. In this picture, you can see that the man is applying force to move the object. I told you before that force can give motion to the object. Here is same situation. After object is getting in motion, friction also increases and try to stop motion. That's why there is happening friction. Fifth, mechanical force. The forces which are happens because of machines are mechanical force. Pulley is the best example of mechanical force. Sixth, electrostatic force. In this picture, you can see that these paper chips are get attracted towards this comb. That because of electrostatic force. Let's learn types of force in the deep. First, muscle force. Force which is exerted by muscle of our body is called muscle force. Example, walking, running, jumping, etc. Even which activities we are doing in our day-to-day life are because of muscular force. Second, magnetic force. Magnetic force is a force that attracts certain metal objects like iron and iron filings towards a magnet. I told you that some metals are get attracted towards the magnet. Example, iron filings attract towards magnet. Today I am giving you some information about electromagnet. Electromagnet is used in machine shops. I will show you with the diagram. This is a metal. It is plugged to plug board. After switching on the plug board, in all over the metal there is an electromagnet. When we put the electromagnet near the machine get attracted towards electromagnet. So we can shift the machine to another place. This is the concept of electromagnet. Third, electrostatic force. Force between two electrically charged particles. They can either be a repulsive or attractive force. Example, balloons get attracted to another balloon when one of them are rubbed with hair. Today I am giving you one question. In previous slide we seen the example of electrostatic force. It is that paper jets are attracted towards the comb. You want to tell in the comment it is a repulsive force or attractive force. Please do the comment. Fourth, gravitational force. Gravitational force is a force exerted by the earth on all objects on it. Example, when a ball is thrown up, it falls to the ground. We are standing on earth because of gravitational force. In the space, astronauts are floating in their spacecraft. That because of in the space there is no gravitational force. All planets have their own gravitational force. Even moon has its own gravitational force. 5. Mechanical force. The force generated by the means of a machine is known as mechanical force. Example, someone pushing a door. In 6th standard, you learnt about complex machines or simple machines. They are the best example of mechanical force. 6. Frictional force. Friction is a force that opposes motion between any surfaces that are touching. Friction can work for or against us. Friction is always against of motion. Example, in case of a ball freely rolling on the ground, the ball eventually comes to stop. I am giving you one example. In cricket match, you seen that after batsman shot the ball, after some time the ball gets stopped. That because of when a batsman shot the ball, ball is going from the grass. in the surface of ball and the surface of grass there is happening friction. So after some distance the ball gets stopped. So we will wrap up our this part. In next part we will see the more types of force. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe the channel.